Envato Elements just dropped a new tool. This time, it's a graphic AI generator. Let's see how it works. Go to your Envato Elements account. If you don't have one, you can use the link in the description. Then click on Gen AI in the top menu and find Graphic Gen. Click it and you'll see a bunch of images that represent styles you can use. At the bottom, there's a box for your prompt. You can write something short there. Unlike other tools where you can write in more detail, here the prompt should be short because you select the style before you start. You can't generate the prompt without choosing the image style first. It's a bit different from the original image generator because it's simpler. You don't need to describe what you're looking for. You just choose from the styles shown on the page. Then it should generate something. You can click Generate Another, and you'll be back on the Graphic Gen main page with the same style and prompt you wrote. Now you can write something different. Or you can click Generate Again, and it will create something new. Or you can hover over an image and click one of the 4 options there. You can click the heart icon to save it to your favorites in the Graphic Gen library, download it, or copy the image and paste it to another website. For this example, I opened Adobe Express to see how it works when you copy it, so you don't even need to save it to your computer if you don't want to. The image is small, as you can see, so if you want to change its shape or expand it, you can click the pencil icon, and it will take you to Envato's image editing tool. There, you have options on the side to remove the background, upscale, expand, replace, generate similar, crop, and even make it into a short video. I have another video showing how to use each of those tools, so you can watch that next. After you generate your first graphic, new items appear in the Graphic Gen menu. History, where you can see all the graphics you generated, and Favorites if you marked any as favorites. From History and Favorites, you can hover over any image and get the same options you had when you first generated it, so you can download or edit anything you liked. This way, you can reuse it later. As for the license, it's the same as with other Gen tools from Envato Elements. You can use it inside a bigger project, but you can't use it as is without making changes. You can use it in commercial projects. Just make sure your subscription is active and that this isn't the only graphic in your design. You need to add other elements to the project. Watch this video to see how to use the image editing tool from Envato Elements. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.